In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not launching. So first things first, if you can't launch it and it's not working, then what you want to do is go to your desktop and go to your search bar at the bottom and search for Remove Programs. Once you search for that, it's going to bring you here and you can just search for Roblox out of this list. Once you find it, you're just going to want to uninstall it. Now, once you do that, you can go back to the browser and then go and play any game that you want. Once you play it for a bit, it'll pop up with this thing saying that you can download it. Download the installer right here. Once that's done, you just want to open it. Now, this is where if it gets stuck again, I'll show you guys a couple methods to actually get it to launch. Go down to the search bar right here and search for Run. Once you search for Run, click on the app Run, and it'll show up here. Now, you want to put this in right here that I already have in %appdata%. So go ahead and search for that. And from here, you're going to want to go to app data. So it's an app data roaming. You're going to want to go back to app data. You want to find local. Once you're in local, scroll down until you find Roblox. And once you find it, go ahead and click on it. It'll bring you to this page here. Here, you want to look for versions. And once you find versions, you can click on it. And then you want to look for the most updated version. Once you find it, you're going to click on it. So if your installation didn't finish all the way, this will make sure that it does. So you want to go ahead and click on Roblox Player Launcher.exe, not installer beta, just Roblox Player Launcher. So go ahead and click on that and it'll load for a bit and then it will actually launch it. If that didn't work, what you want to try doing is remove all the other versions too. That might help. But if that didn't work, then go to Microsoft and download Roblox as an app. So you can search for the Microsoft Store. Search for Roblox. You can try downloading this and see if this works as well. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.